Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and in this video I will show you how you can create multiple YouTube channels under one account. Yes, you can do that. Let's get started. Now log into Google account that you want to use for creating multiple YouTube channel. Once you do that, you will be seeing this screen. After that, click on add or manage your channel. Now you will be seeing this YouTube channel switcher screen and click on create a new channel and you will be seeing a screen like this. Enter the channel name that you want to add. Let's take an example. I wrote Desi Gamers and after that you click on create button. You will be immediately taken to your new channel where you can customize your account and upload videos. You can manage this in your YouTube channel just like you do your personal account. Consider adding different channel icons, the user profile image on YouTube to distinctions between account you are using. Taking this step also make it easier for you to keep track of which account you are actively logged into and also let subscribers and visitors differentiate your accounts. You can switch between accounts by clicking the user profile picture on the top right corner of the YouTube screen and then going to switch account. Let me know if the video is helpful in the comments. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.